My name is Jay. For many years, my biggest problem was not failure, not fear, and not lack of ability. My biggest problem was overthinking. My mind never stopped. If I said something in a conversation, I thought about it for hours later. Did I say the wrong thing? Did they misunderstand me? Did I sound strange? Even small decisions became difficult. If I had two choices, I spent too much time thinking about both. What if the second choice is better? What if I regret this decision later? Because of this habit, my mind always felt tired. Instead of taking action, I stayed stuck in thoughts. One day, something simple happened that made me realize my mistake. I was planning to join a small English-speaking group in my city. I knew it would help me improve, but my mind started creating doubts. What if my English is not good enough? What if people judge me? What if I cannot express my ideas clearly? For several days, I kept thinking about it. Every night, I imagined different situations. Some of them were embarrassing. Some of them were uncomfortable. Because of these thoughts, I delayed joining the group. Then one evening, my friend asked me a direct question. Have you joined the speaking group yet? I said no. He asked, where? I tried to explain my worries. He listened quietly and then said something that surprised me. You are thinking about problems that have not happened. I stayed silent. Then he said, sometimes thinking is useful, but sometimes thinking becomes a trap. That sentence stayed in my mind. That night, I asked myself a simple question. What is the worst thing that could happen? Maybe I would make mistakes. Maybe someone would notice my grammar errors. But would that destroy my life? Of course not. The next day, I decided to stop overthinking. I registered for the speaking group. When I attended the first meeting, I felt nervous, but something interesting happened. Everyone else was also learning. Some people spoke better than me. Some people spoke worse, but nobody was judging anyone. Everyone was just trying to improve. At that moment, I realized something important. My mind had created a problem that never existed. After that experience, I started changing my habit. Whenever I noticed myself overthinking, I asked two questions. Is this thought helping me? Or is it only creating stress? If it was only creating stress, I stopped feeding that thought. Instead, I focused on action. Action reduced my fear much faster than thinking. Slowly, my mind became calmer. I still think carefully before making important decisions, but I no longer allow my thoughts to control me because I learned a powerful lesson. Overthinking does not solve problems. Taking action does.